Right, what's going on, guys? I'm here in England. That's all I'm gonna say. Summertime, lovely, can't fault it. I'm at a car graveyard and it is gorgeous. I'm not gonna say too much about it. I'm not sure where to start, so let's just get into it. The old Citroens, old XM, air ride suspension, sitting low. That's pretty cool. As you can see, there's a bunch of Citroens and all sorts around here. But let's get into the cool stuff to begin with. Look at that old Transit. That's awesome. Very, very cool. Barber kiosk. I love it. Now me, I'm a kid in the 90s. I can remember these on the roads. So, little van. That's cool. So that's sort of like Austin, Bedford style van. Parts in the back. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. Ford steering wheel. I don't even know what that is. Is that an old Austin or something? Might be helping me out on this one, guys. Oh, look at the old fuel tanker. It's like an old little Albion or something. There's some old stuff in here. That's cool. It's a bit more modern. DAF, Leyland. There's just parts everywhere, guys. Be smart for your next meeting. The wings on a proper old school style. 50s, I'm guessing. 40s, 50s. Even look at the tyres and that, the old school Goodyear logos. And the writing. That's pretty awesome. H, 1990. Fred Flintstone style. Hubcaps. You know, this is when it was clasper in the cars. Actually, proper old school sign writing. Again, that's a dying trade. Oh, that's cool. This side is definitely a bit more protected on it. Surprising what you can do. Look at that little thing. Entirely sure what that is. That's like a sidecar maybe, or I don't know. It's different. Let's put that mirror in. Look at this. Rotten, but cool. Oh yeah, look at that over there. There's old writing on it. What style of truck is that, guys? Maybe you can help me. I'm gonna get a stink in a second. Oh well. Again, as you can see, she's literally just being held together. That's cool. I haven't moved in some time. Door. Wings. Bits of everything around here, guys. Sharp metal everywhere. That's exactly what it is. If you haven't had a tetanus, maybe I'd recommend it before you come here. Turbo SD, full leather. I gotta say, them seats do look comfy. More Citroens. XM. That's what that tanker is. See, here's a better way of getting to it. I'm gonna respect you guys. I'm not gonna go climbing over everything. But that is cool. Right, let's continue it on. I said winter would probably be the best shout for this place because it's quite a bit overgrown at the minute. That's cool. Chassis. Another Citroen guy. I like the Citroens. Some team dynamic wheels. Alford spec, that's what that one is. Now we're entering the military. That's cool. Poppy on the front of it. I like that. I really like that actually. That's cool. So I think you had some sort of fire around here or something.
Do you want a fun fact?
What's that?
When I was last year, this was sideways there, and the fenders and bonnet were on it, or at least the fenders definitely were, because I was leaning on them for photos.
So someone's doing something here then?
Someone's definitely doing something here, and also it's got a lovely split rear window on it as well.
The old school suicide doors as well.
That is awesome.
My lady. Oh, shit. Break the car when I'm there. I do apologise. Split window, that's awesome. It's going to be 30s, 40s. It's a bit different to my sort of era of car, guys, but well, it's my stuff that I enjoy, really. It is cool. It's got a little nosy down here then, is it? Let's see what's around. Oh yeah, this is in use. Look at all this machinery. You can see this all new. Look at the chairs there. Fucking that barn in there. Jesus. Sorry, getting a bit excited with it. Another Citroen. Oh, wow. Oh, this is cool. Parts, 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 and more parts. Oh, there's even cars under there, guys. That's awesome. Sorry if it's jumpy as I clamber over everything. Interiors. A Bedford grill. That's awesome. That reminds you of the little Dinky Toys dust cart. That's what that reminds me of. That over there actually looks in pretty damn good condition. So it's all a similar sort of style of car. Whoever collects them, they know what they're like. Little trailer. That is very cool. Parts. There's some money's worth in here. Incredible. Steering rack. Look at that. So, what are we thinking so far? We're going to continue this up over the other ones now, guys. Alright, so as we continue this, guys, as you can see, Citroen's buried in here. What's that over there? Looks like a Morris Minor. Or something. Something under the top here. Protecting that a little bit. There's no front on it, man, so it wouldn't have to have a little nosy. Citroens, literally Citroens everywhere. Oh, guys, I wish it wasn't the winter, so I wish it was the winter, sorry, if I could get over there. It makes you think what else is actually buried. All the old hay. You can make it out over there. Literally stuff everywhere. It's damn cool, that's what it is. We've got more Citroens. This is the second time this year I've seen a lot of Citroens all in one place. Exclusive. You know, what's in this barn in there? It makes you think, is there more cars in here? Low that sits. The size on them. Sunroof is popped. I don't know if we can make it out in here, guys, or not. But... oh yeah. There's a lot more cars in there. I don't see a way into that one. So the good stuff's locked. That's a bit of a shame, isn't it? See it in there also. I can see another truck in there. Sorry, I know it's making a bit of a noise. Just trying to get you a good vantage point. That is cool. Very cool. So there we go. I think that's a bit of a wrap for this place. Gotta say, awesome. Really, really awesome. I've had 2 fills this morning, so this is a nice change. And I'm just gonna have a look over here first. I'm guessing that's where they used to bring all the stuff in on. Oop. That's cool. Very, very cool. There's literally stuff in the trees everywhere. We just can't get to it, so that's a bit gutting. You can just see it through the trees there. So there we go. That's a wrap of this place, guys. On to the next one.